God bless you everyone and welcome back to another video. The day finally is here and we're gonna boost the Eclipse. Today we finally installing the turbo kit on the Eclipse, and I have to give you a quick update. It's been a couple changes since the last video, but not much. We got new high voltage coil. Also we got thick spark plug wires. You guys can see that it's about 10 millimeter. You guys can see with the bulb cover got also painted. It's not done, but it's a work in process. We also add the two nipples for the oil catch cam, which is on this corner, and obviously the whole filter is gonna be out. Also we got the gauges installed. We got the AM wideband, and also we got a glow shift boost gauge, and they almost ready. This one is missing the sensor, but the wideband is working great. Also we got the EMS4, and we got also the wiring harness. It's giving us a lot of issues that we have to figure out, but let's see what we can do with this. Meanwhile, I have all the turbo components on all these boxes, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start assembling everything, so let's go. Successfully I got the wastegate installed. Also I got the turbo over here, and I went ahead and install the studs. I was getting ready to install the turbo into the manifold, but I don't have the studs. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna take a drive real quick to get those. So let's go.
Moments later.
Successfully I made it back from the auto part, and here I got the studs that I needed. Unfortunately these ones are a little too long, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and actually cut them to fit. I will give you an example why. So there you guys see it, that it is a little too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut them real quick to make it fit. Meanwhile I was gone. Manny actually put this cold side of the intercooler piping, and you guys can see that it's actually coming very nice here, and we have already mounted the blow-up bulb. You guys see it right there, and then it comes into the intercooler piping that we mount on the last video. So there we have the hot side of the intercooler piping also all set. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and mount the turbo into the manifold, because we have to throw the oil fit and also make the oil return line. So let's go. Successfully I got all the studs on, and it gave me a hard time because one of the holes didn't have the thread, so we have to actually make them using a type and die set. Anyway, we got that figured out. Also we got the turbo all set. I clocked it and I put the oil fitting, and also we have the oil drain or return fitting as well. Everything is tight. I have the gasket here. Unfortunately we don't have the gasket for here, but since we have to move the car out today, we're gonna actually mount it, and we're gonna drive it like that, maybe to park it outside, and then we're gonna actually order one and put it on. But for now I'm just gonna put the turbo on like that, and we're gonna test it out. So let's go.
A few moments later.
Successfully we got the turbo on and everything is looking very nice. I have Manny down there actually putting up the downpipe. We got also the oil feed right here. I just finished up redoing the oil return and we should be good to make the first start. Right now I'm missing the coupler that will go there, and that's something that I have to figure out for now, but we have basically all the intercooler piping done. We have the blow above done, we have the lines done. We have just to connect the blow above, and we also have to connect the wastegate, which is gonna go on that nipple right there. But basically I'm just gonna go ahead, get ready to mount this line over here, and we should be good to do the first start. Finger crossed everything goes well, so let's go. Successfully we got everything assembled and all the intercooler piping is connected. We have the coupler, you guys see the intercooler piping going into the intercooler. We have our oil catch cam hoses going into here. We got the blow up already. The only thing we're missing is to connect the blow up to a vacuum source, and we have to connect the wastegate as well, but everything should be good to go. So we're gonna set up the car. Found the first oil leak. That's wrong. So right now manifold is actually burning all the oil that I've had from factory. Our oil feed came broken, so actually it's leaking right now. You guys can see all the oil that is actually leaking, so we're gonna replace that one. And also our fuel pressure regulator is not working either. It's actually 30 psi, so we have a new one coming. So far no leaks besides the broken oil feed, so overall it's a success. So that's gonna be for this video. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. Successfully today we installed the turbo kit on Manny's car, and obviously we got a couple hiccups, but we're gonna be working with those in the next one. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and also subscribe, share with your friends, make sure that bell is on I will see you on the next one. God bless you all. Have a nice day, and Manny.
Peace.